What's up guys, today we're here with the Axial SCX10 II Deadbolt at the hill to do some climbing challenge fun. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is hanging out with Abby and Popeye's back at home. He's not allowed at this park. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. You guys might notice, Abby, get a close shot of the truck. We have some cool points going up by at least 2 per sticker. Because of those RC Sailor stickers, our patrons know that you guys get these and you slap them on your RCs. They're completely waterproof. They're very awesome stickers. If you guys want to support us and make your vehicles look cooler at the same time, we'll have our Patreon linked in the description box below. What we're going to do today is just have some fun with this truck. We drive all sorts of vehicles here all the time, and so we're going to be able to kind of standardize this truck and see how well it does stacked up against its competition, the other Axials that we love to drive. How many Axials do we own now?
I don't know.
Good handful, right?
Yes.
I love Axial vehicles, so if this is your first time seeing an Axial truck, just know that a very good name brand, and this puppy is what, 300 bucks? Ready to run without the battery? And that's a good price point to get in at a name brand vehicle, something that runs really great out of the box, or at least it should, and then you can upgrade it as you go. So I'll stop talking, let's drive this thing. As I was walking over here, Abby said, I get to go, it's my truck. So she wants to go first. And that is fine. So everybody knows whose truck this is now.
Yes. That's full throttle.
Full throttle, okay. Nice and slow. I like it. And when I was carrying it, the weight of the battery being up in the front really felt good. So this is gonna have no problems climbing up this hill at all. So we'll do our first shot standing back here just to see how it does from a wide shot so you guys can see how steep that hill really is. And I'm gonna get some close shots for you in just a minute. Look at that though, no problem, 0 problems. Now the weight being in the front might have a little bit more struggle coming down the hill. Nope, that was wrong, Okay, let's get some closer shots of this thing climbing, and then maybe we'll do some of the routes too. Abby's still at the controls. You're going fast. Was that full throttle? No? It just looked like it was going fast. That's okay, that's okay. You conquered the hill. Nice. Abby just said, I'll go slower, I'll go slower. We'll do one slow climb too. And then I want to see it on these routes over here. The ECX Barrage Gen 2 did really good on the routes. Now it was muddy and wet and grimy that day, but look at this thing. It just doesn't slip at all, even though it's dry. Oh, there we go. A little bit of slip. See, that's what we like to see. Just a little bit of struggle. Come on, Axial. You make it look easy. Ah, okay. See how when it's dry, it slips? But really, that's just because Abby's going as slow as she possibly can. Awesome, awesome. Look at that. You guys can't see a big smile on Abby's face. Let's hit up the roots. Yeah. All right, going to the roots. I think this is going to do just fine. Now when you're crawling and you get sideways on a hill, that's when you have your highest potential to roll over. But I think Abby knows what she's doing. She's trying to work. Oh, there we go. There's the roll. Okay, good stop, good stop. Oh no! My allergies are already acting up. I hope my allergies are pretty clear for RC Fest, Horizon Hobbies RC Fest. Guys, we're gonna be there. We might have this truck with us. Hopefully we see you guys there too. We'll have information on the event and this truck linked in the description box below. Let me get closer, Abby. I think this is a good angle for you guys to see. See how it's super narrow? But then she just climbs that first tire up over that root. Hopefully we can wiggle both tires around. Just climbs right up it. Okay, now's when you gotta like hop it, I think. Straighten it out a little bit. She knows what she's doing, look at this. Look at that smile. To those of you that have never driven a crawler before, I highly recommend trying one because oh, there you go, you straightened it out. Now's when you get the speed hop. Think you can do it. Oh, that's okay. It's very challenging and fun to drive these slow crawlers over obstacles like this, especially when we know one truck has done it in the past. There you go, there you go. You got it. Now you back up a hair, and then, oh no. Steering servo is nice and strong. Oh, okay, okay. You're almost there. There, yeah. You're making progress. Oh, no. I think it might be my turn.
All right, Nate. I have a feeling you're going to show me who's boss on this.
I don't know. So maybe we'll do this for ownership of the truck. If I get it, it's my truck.
Oh, yeah?
I'm just trying to take the really slow approach right now. So I already got it past the... I'm really focused. Oh, what? You know, the ECRX Barrage Gen 2, that's a 12th scale. And so it slid right through here a little bit easier than I think this one's.
This one's a little bigger.
Yeah. But I'm still very determined. I really want to get this. I know. What is it about? Oh, no. Okay, all right. What is it about crawling vehicles that are so addicting?
It's mesmerizing, I think.
So mesmerizing. You just want the truck to make it. Everybody's just rooting for this to be able to hop up over that. No pun intended. There we go. Nice and slow. Let those tires grip in. I felt like that was a really good approach. Because you saw that back tire kind of went up.
Mm-hmm.
We're just waiting on the back to go. There we go. Ah, that was full throttle.
Just needs a nudge.
Oh my gosh! It's because it sits a little bit wider than the Barrage. I just don't think.
I want you guys
to see what it's trying to climb.
Yeah.
It's an inverted root ball sticking out there. It's a really rough spot. Really.
I'm gonna fall down the hill.
We gotta try one more time, and if I can't get this, we'll climb a different spot.
I gotta hold on to the root, or I'm gonna fall.
Wow. Car coming. I don't think this is gonna happen. Oh no. Look at that, Abby. It's That's the highest we're gonna make it. I think. No. Oh, come on.
What?
Come on. Yeah. Woo! That feels good.
Did I just lose my truck?
Yeah, I got the pink slip.
Oh my gosh, I'm so gonna fall.
If you want to earn this back, we're on sandals on this really loose rock here. You want to try to make it past that, or I give you a different spot?
Yeah.
Okay, because right now this is my truck. I just got this truck because I got past it. That was awesome. Okay, let me go back down. That spot should be much easier, and then we'll come up with a different spot for Abby to drive. Should be. Watch me just roll now. Okay. Nice and slow. That's definitely the approach that worked with this.
Goes down easier than it went up.
Oh, that was awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, I like this. This thing drives so slow but powerful. I really like that. And those tires were just gripping the non-existent, like there's just a really old, like weather-worn root here. I mean, that's coming back and up and out, and it was able to climb up over that. That is very impressive. Okay, where should we have Abby? Something that is doable. Okay, we actually just decided to do the same spot because that seems fair for this little challenge. We're just at the top of it now. Abby's at the controls again, having fun, and this is fun. I like this. We're in some shade now too, so. You know they're gonna have a nice crawler course at the event.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Me too.
I've never done like a course.
No. It's hard to do this at different angles, isn't it? Oh, look at you. It's that back tire. I want you guys to see this. That's the struggle spot. To be able to work that back tire up and around that root ball. I think you can do it. The matter is now, how long will this video be? And what makes this even more fun a challenge is that if you do topple over, you're pretty much rolling down the hill all the way. So that's really cool.
I have wedged myself on the root.
I see.
This is not good.
You're gonna go toppling over, aren't you? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm stuck on the root. Oh my gosh.
Whew. Oh no, Abby, no, no, no! Oh, good catch. Good catch. Good save. It can get the hill, no problem. It's these roots. And look, like there's even a hole, like underneath that root, there's just a big gap. So it's a very challenging spot. I'm gonna just move while you keep going. What a cool little spot this is.
Dang it.
10th scale, crawling up the dry, dusty. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, careful. Oh, no, 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 Abby, no! Can you roll it?
I'm stuck
No,
in that
you're
tree.
stuck. Oh, gosh.
So close. I could have rolled over if it wasn't for that tree.
What'd you just say?
It's my truck.
It's your truck. She said she gives up, but it is her truck. I just got lucky. I got very lucky. Oh,
Everybody wants to see if you can do it again.
I highly doubt it, but you know what? I'll bring my Falcon back here and we'll try it again someday. Guys, this thing is just a blast. Don't let our little root section like deter you. There you have it, the Axial SCX10 II Deadbolt. The thing about this video is, in driving this truck, when we were bringing this out for the first time today, we knew we were going to like it. I mean, we're still a little skeptical, you know, we're always open-minded going into things, and if there's something we don't like, we're going to point it out to you guys, but we're Axial fans for a reason. They know what they're doing, they put out really good stuff, and they have a really good community following them, so much so that there are even third-party companies out there that make metal parts for them that Axial doesn't make. I think that's amazing. So you know, you can hit up eBay or whatever and find some really good stuff. We have done that in the past. I've upgraded metal parts on some of my Axial things like my Wraith and stuff, and I am just so happy to have another Axial in our collection. Abby and I did the math before, like in between some shots. We think we have 8 Axials now.
Yeah, but 2 are like, you know,
tiny ones.
Tiny, yeah.
And those are cool. Which, by the way, we need to get the small deadbolt, don't we?
Yes.
It'd be really cool.
Yes.
We need to have like put the 3 little ones together.
Yes.
I have the Yeti Junior by my Yeti and the Yeti XL, but now that we're getting more of these smaller ones, I think the
Well, you have a Yeti Junior and the Yeti Can-Am.
I still like the Yeti Junior a little bit more.
You just like the way it looks, but the Can-Am is way better.
Can-Am drove a lot better. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that fun little challenging section and some of the fun here on the hill. Well, I'm so excited to see some pro crawlers and even just some amateur crawlers like us at the event, the Horizon RC Fest coming up, because we've never gone to a crawling event before, and I've never seen a course made specifically for crawlers, so I'm very much looking forward to that. Guys, if you have some time this coming weekend, which is actually probably starting now by the time you're watching this video, we pre-recorded this video so you guys would have something to watch while we are at the event. We'll have event footage for you when we get back, but if you're watching this video now, it's probably Friday, I think, which means you should come to the event and hang out. I'll have pockets full of just stuff, and if you want me to sign one of your RCs, or Abby, or I've even signed a baseball before, just let me know. I'll have markers and everything. So it's just going to be a lot of fun to be there. I cannot wait to just hang out with you guys, fly and drive RC. All the good stuff will be linked in the description box below. I was trying to do this quickly before that car went by, but I didn't time it right.
Thanks a lot, car.
It's okay. It's a good park. You know, people actually come to this park and bash on this hill now because of these videos. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!